Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia G100 for Straight Talk. So the Nokia G100 is a new budget smartphone for Straight Talk. It's available now for $99.99. Currently on sale. The full retail price is $99.99, and it is available on black. Y'all guys can see the phone right there. Very nice looking phone. Yeah, so you guys got your teardrop notch front facing camera there. Earpiece above that. Power button bang keys on the right side of the phone there, and very nice looking wallpaper in my personal opinion right there on the screen, so pretty cool. Right side, like I said, power button bang keys, and you do have your fingerprint sensor right here on the power button right here on the right side of the phone. That's pretty cool there. And then on the back of the Nokia G100 is your triple camera system, along with your camera flash, Nokia logo, your track phone logo and whatnot, and yeah, pretty nice looking phone, you know. So yeah. Says here all the entertainment you need, whether in the great outdoors or curled up on the couch. The Nokia G100 is perfect for entertainment with its large 6.52-inch HD screen, edge-to-edge display, and smoother graphics. It's designed to deliver crystal clear viewing wherever the conditions. So it's pretty good there. So there's front, right side, and back of the phone. Very nice looking phone, like I said. Specs: y'all have 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this phone, so do keep it in mind. CDMA, of course. Dimensions: 6.56 inches height, 3.2 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The screen size says 6.52 inches on the thing above this. Says here in the spec sheet 6.517 inch HD LCD display. Crazy numbers there. 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. VNAS display, of course. 14 hours of battery and 22 hours battery on 3G. So that's kind of interesting. Bluetooth 5.0 has a 5,000 mAh battery with quick charge 2.0. Power delivered 2.0 with 15 watt fast charging. Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 mobile platform. Quad-core processor there. Hearing aids there. Talk time 14 hours on 4G, 22 hours on 3G. 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. 512 GB of micro SD expansion. The Nokia G100 weighs 6.87 ounces. Alright. So what comes in the box is your Nokia G100 smartphone charger, which is very nice to see. Type-C cable, your SIM ejection tool, and quick start guide there. More features: life on the edge. The large 6.52-inch HD screen with edge-to-edge display and smoother graphics delivers a better viewing experience in more lighting conditions. Lights, camera, action. The triple rear camera includes a 13 megapixel primary, 5 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 2 megapixel depth lens, each with enhanced AI powered night mode for on-rail shots and more conditions. Smoother, faster, more secure performance. Optimized with the latest Android 12 and a powerful octa-core processor for a smoother, faster, and more secure performance across all your apps. Keep the entertainment coming. See more of what you love with a large 5,000 mAh battery that lasts up to 2 days on a single charge. Access all areas. Side mounted fingerprint sensor and facial recognition gives you more ways for you and only you to unlock your phone. So not bad for $100. You're getting both facial recognition and fingerprint. Not bad for a budget phone like that. I think that's a really cool feature there. So that's fucking awesome. So yeah. So So yeah, there you guys have it. The Nokia G100 is now here at Straight Talk, currently on sale for $99.99 for retail price $99.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, a backup phone, or whatever, the Nokia G100 could be worth taking a look at her. The phone is very nice, and it does have very nice specs for what it is. This one's also available at TrackPhone and Boost Mobile as well. So that's available on a couple of different carriers as well. So very nice looking phone, not bad for a budget phone like this. And yeah. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.